Hi, friends. I am Sweta Kaushal, and today I have with me one of the hottest couples right now, former Big Boss 15 contestants, Maisha Iyer and Eshan Sehgal. Very welcome to
Thank
both.
you. Thank you.
So, after spending almost a month inside the house, now that you're outside, not necessarily staying together, how many hours are you spending apart?
How many hours are we spending apart?
Uh,
Yes, so.
Zero hours. We've been inseparable since both of us have been out.
Yes, so yeah. But you have both of you have said that several times inside the house, even and now outside the house as well, that you're genuinely feeling what we got to see on the show. And now you also, I think, recently mentioned that you're dating. You went on a date. But many people continue to say that this is not genuine. It is perhaps just for the sake of the show.
I feel if it was just for the show, when people came from the outside and kept telling us that, concentrate on your game, concentrate on your game. If it was just for the show, we would have been like, oh, this is not working. Let's take another route and let's go and, have our individual games. But even after people kept coming and telling us, to play our own games, we were together. And I mean, that shows that, we what we had was so strong that I don't think at any point in time we wanted to play individual games. I mean, we did have individual games, but we didn't want to like be apart. We were still inseparable. When after people kept on coming and telling us, that हमेशा क्या साथ में रहते हो, हमेशा क्या साथ में रहते हो. But I think that also comes from a place where, in a chaotic place like Big Boss, you would want to be with the person who makes you feel the safest, and that was each other for us, and that's why we continue doing so.
But while on the show, did you ever feel? I know this was told to you many many times, but did you feel कि ठीक है जो हम feel कर रहे हैं, let that take a back seat and maybe do what we were originally supposed to do. Focus on that. Maybe not completely do away with your feelings, but focus more on being entertainers or how you call it.
To be honest, when you say originally supposed to do, I feel we were supposed to be ourselves, and that's what we did. I was 100% myself, he was 100% himself, and I think both of us are very emotional people. And I feel for us, our heart takes over our mind a lot of times and all the time, unfortunately. But so yeah, when you say that we were supposed to do, we were supposed to be ourselves, and we were ourselves. Maybe we at obviously at times we have also played. We've also strategized. That doesn't. Again, that is still. We were strategizing, planning, plotting everything, but that was still us. We were being ourselves while doing that. We still knew where to draw the line and keeping our conscience in mind. So I think, yeah, we were supposed to be ourselves, and that's what we were doing. We were just being ourselves.
Absolutely.
Do you want to talk, Ishan?
No, I mean, what she's saying is right. Definitely, we did what we could, and we are somebody who's heart over mind, not mind over heart. And we were genuine in the show. We did our best, and no regrets at all. जिस खुशी के साथ हम घर में गए थे, उसी खुशी के साथ हम घर से वापस आए. As long as हमें पता है हमने अपना 100% दिया है, तो उसके अलावा कुछ मैटर नहीं करता. और जितना हमने किया बहुत ही दिल से करा. And I am glad that I met her, and I am happy that she's my trophy. So I won. मुझे मैटर नहीं करता कि मैं इतना लंबा नहीं टिक पाया. आई बिलीव इन डेस्टिनी, और जितना मेरा लिखा था उतना मैंने किया. एंड व्हेन योर टाइम इज अप, योर टाइम इज अप. दैट्स अबाउट इट. आई मीन, उससे ज्यादा कुछ नहीं बोलना चाहूँगा.
And talking about the game and stuff, I think we've given our 100% in every task. There's not a single task where we haven't been like, let's not go for it, let's like chill. We've given our 100%
Absolutely.
in every task.
But what I want to understand is whether you had maybe as you just mentioned, you did not want to do, you just wanted to be yourself and did not really want to so-called focus on the game or whatever. You just
No,
wanted
I didn't say we want to focus on the game. I just said when you're
as
saying
in forgetting what you feel or forgetting what you actually want to do in that sense. But did you ever even like you felt bad or anything? How was it to be told by almost every guest and even by Salman Khan, your host, that you should not be doing this?
Well, I think Salman Khan sir never mentioned that we should not be doing this. He always told us what's right and what's not right. Apart from that, मेरे ओपिनियन में एक किसी को जज नहीं करना चाहिए. अगर हम वीक होते तो हम पहले हफ्ते में निकल जाते. हम अगर 35 डेज सस्टेन करें हैं तो अपनी कैपेबिलिटी से सस्टेन करेंगे. टास्क की बात की जाए तो आई हैव बीन रीडिंग माय डीएम्स एंड एवरीथिंग एंड शी हैज बीन गोइंग थ्रू दैट टू. सबने बोला है दैट वी डिड बेस्ट इन द टास्क. तो as long as मैं मैसेज पढ़ रहा हूँ और जो मुझे सुनने में आ रहा है, we are definitely overwhelmed with the response and the love that we're getting from the outside world and we are very happy about it. No regrets at all. जितना करा उतना दिल से करा और जो प्यार मिल रहा है वो बहुत है. और इससे मैंने इनफैक्ट मैंने जितना एक्सपेक्ट भी नहीं करा था उससे ज्यादा प्यार मिला है. जहाँ तक फोकस की बात रही, फोकस नहीं होता तो फर्स्ट वीक में जैसे मैंने बोला हम निकल गए थे और फोकस था इसलिए 35 डेज सस्टेन करें. एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट इस सीजन में बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग कंटेस्टेंट्स हैं लाइक एनी अदर सीजन. करण कुंद्रा, जय भानुशाली, तेजस्वी प्रकाश, शमिता, विशाल, तो उमर, तो उन लोगों के बीच में सस्टेन करना 6 वीक्स 35 डेज तक रहना भी बहुत बड़ी अचीवमेंट है. और जितना किया बहुत अच्छे से किया और किसी चीज का कोई रिग्रेट नहीं है.
तो अभी रिग्रेट नहीं है या अंदर भी जब ये सब हो रहा था उस समय भी कभी नहीं लगा कि शायद
कुछ रिग्रेट नहीं था? नहीं, मुझे तो 1% का रिग्रेट नहीं है. जब मैं अंदर था तब तो कोई रिग्रेट नहीं था. मैं बाहर आया हूँ तो फॉरगेट अबाउट रिग्रेट. मैं तो बहुत खुश हूँ कि जिस तरीके की रिकग्निशन मिल रही है, जो लोग प्यार कर रहे हैं. I mean, people have been coming to us for pictures. They are recognizing us. They are telling us how much they have appreciated our journeys together and how much they love Maisha and me and our hashtag Maishan. तो मैं तो बहुत ही खुश फील कर रहा हूँ.
मे बी लोग इसलिए भी इस पे आपके जेन्युइनिटी पे क्वेश्चन कर रहे हैं बिकॉज ट्रेडिशनली बिग बॉस में जो कपल्स बने हैं, आई थिंक Prince or Yuvika and Ajaz, no one really survived the test of the time. So maybe that is one reason, because eventually you fall apart. तो लोगों को लगता है कि शायद एक समय तक के लिए you're just playing the game.
But then that happens in the real world. I mean, we've both had past relationships that haven't worked out. So it's unfair to say, you know, that ये show में अगर relationship होता है तो नहीं चलता, because even in real life, obviously बहुत सारे relationships नहीं चलते, कहीं चलते हैं, कहीं नहीं चलते हैं. Also, to bring this, I would like to say that Rubina, if I've watched the season right, Rubina and Abhinav were on the verge of falling, of separating, but in the show, their romance rekindled. They realize how strongly they feel for each other, and that's why they still stuck together. So, I mean, I just feel that it's an emotion. I mean, jab tak it works out, it works out. If you can fall apart on the show, you can even fall apart in real life. So I don't think वो एक जगह की बात है या कुछ. It's just, you know, what you feel for each other and how long it lasts. I honestly don't see anything wrong in that. If a guy wants to own his space, or if he wants to be bossy, or he wants to be dominating, or he wants to, if he has that thing inside him कि नहीं मुझे trophy ही जीतना है, why is that applauded? And then if a woman has a very strong opinion, she wants to win. If she's opinionated, she wants to be a boss lady. Why is that looked down upon? Even if she's bossy, why shouldn't she be bossy? I mean, if you have a problem with she being bossy, don't let her boss over you. Rather than stopping her from being bossy, you don't let her boss over you. So I don't see anything wrong in. I think it's amazing, and I think it's so beautiful that you are there. A woman is there, owning her space. Okay, saying what she feels, is so opinionated, and still, if you go to her. With the problem, she's gonna be like really warm and tell you, the right things to do. And I think that is one great quality about Shamita, that she has this beautiful warmth in her. At the same time, she's a boss lady. So that whole blend that she has is really lovely. I am very fond of her.
How did Rajiv's entry change the game for you two?
I don't think Rajiv's entry changed the game for the two of us. I personally believe that he was just a little bit concerned about me as a friend, and जिस तरीके से उसने चीजें बोली वो तरीका थोड़ा सा गलत था, जो उसने मुझे खुद बाद में आके बोला that I'm sorry, और मैंने जिस तरीके से बातें बताई वो तरीका मेरा गलत था. मेरे ओपिनियन में उसको बस थोड़ा सॉर्टेड तरीके से, थोड़ा आराम से मुझे बैठ के समझाना चाहिए था कुछ चीजों को. बात वहीं पे खत्म हो जाती, पर वो जो चीजें बोल रहा था उसने 6-7 दिन बाद एक्सप्लेन की कि वो ऐसा क्यों बोल रहा था, और चीजें फिर सॉर्ट हुई. बट मुझे नहीं लगता कि राजीव की एंट्री की वजह से हमारी गेम पे इफेक्ट पड़ा है. हाँ, राजीव ने जो चीजें बोली, जो चीजें मेरे बारे में कही, जो उसने बोला कि मेरी फैमिली मायशा को एक्सेप्ट नहीं करेगी, या फिर मेरी फैमिली मेरी सिस्टर मायशा को पसंद नहीं करती, उन सब चीजों की वजह से मेरी मेंटल हेल्थ जरूर इफेक्ट हुई थी, और मैं एक शेल में चला गया था और मैं परेशान हो गया था, बिकॉज आई एम अ वेरी इमोशनल एंड सेंसिटिव पर्सन. और मुझे अगर ऐसी चीजें बताई जाती, माय फैमिली मैटर्स टू मी अ लॉट एंड शी मैटर्स टू मी अ लॉट. तो जब मुझे बताया गया कि मेरी फैमिली इसको एक्सेप्ट नहीं करेगी, तो वो मेरे पे एक बर्डन बन गया था, एंड आई वाज जस्ट नॉट हैप्पी अबाउट इट कि ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है. But then the other day, I'm talking about yesterday, I had a word with my sister. उसने मुझे बोला that I want to speak to Mimmi. और फिर इन दोनों की बात हुई, and I had a word with my mom, जिन्होंने मुझे बताया कि they really like Maisha and there's nothing like कि वो Maisha को पसंद नहीं करते या फिर कोई प्रॉब्लम है. In fact, इंशाल्लाह बहुत ही जल्द 7 to 10 days में I'm planning to make my mom and my sister meet Maisha. So everything is just going wonderful and fantastic, and there is nothing like my family doesn't like her. They really, really like her, and we are definitely going to. I'm going to make them all, the three of them, meet.